Hey there, welcome back to our tutorials for the Atlas-Brooks interface. Today I will show you how to find gene homologs between any two different species. You might be wondering, why bother with gene homologs? Well, there are a couple of good reasons. First, genes can have different names or IDs across species. Finding homologs can help us connect these related genes. Second, these studies use model organisms to study human disease or develop agronomy. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at two examples. The first example is identifying homologs of human genes CD19 and then MS4A1 in the frog. And then the second one is finding homologs of Arabidopsis genes 85G03170 and 81G20850 in rice. We use these examples because they represent important model organisms in both animal and then plant biology. In the human to frog example, the focus is on immune-related genes that may have different names in each species but perform similar functions. Let's start from the first example. As usual, enter the following query in the chart interface. What are the homologs of CD19 and MS4A1 from human to frog? This page will generate a bipartite graph showing the homologous relationships. The red nodes represent the queried human genes. In this example, CD19 and MS4A1. The blue nodes represent the potential homologous genes in frog. The connecting line indicates the homologous relationships. The line thickness represents the genetic distance. That means a thicker line indicates a closer relationship. On the graph, we can see a direct homolog of CD19 in frog, CD19.al. MS4A1 shows multiple potential homologs in frog, such as MS4A1.al, KRTCAP3.al, and extra extra. There are some additional functions for you to use. We can click the camera icon to save the graph as an image, or click the download icon to obtain the CSV file for the homology data. As suggested by the chartboard, click on any human gene name, like CD19, to populate the chart with a new query. This query will retrieve the protein sequences of its homologs in the target species. You can download the sequences in FASTA format by typing download in the chart, and then use these sequences for your further research. For instance, you can run a blast search on them to identify similar proteins across different species, or use AlphaFold to predict their 3D structure. Now let's take a look at the second example. Identify homologs of Arabidopsis thaliana genes in rice. Enter the following query. What are the homologs of 85G03170, 81G20850 from Arabidopsis to rice root? We can see that for the gene 85G03170 from Arabidopsis thaliana, there are multiple homologous genes in the residue as presented on the graph. The lines connecting these genes indicate evolutionary distances based on the sequence similarity, with the values showing genetic distance matrix. Also, another advantage of Atlas-Brooks is that it helps you connect these tricky plant gene names across species, making your research easier. That's it for today's tutorial. See you next one.